Good morning, this is Peter Kahner, so-called Bastel Peter in the forum, and today I would like to show you how I'm doing the body from an RC car or RC bicycle. Because Ardo asked, I'm doing this little video and showing with simple things how we can do this vacuum formed body work. Before we start with the work, I show you the tool. So this is my little vacuum box. It's basically a wooden box, and on the top surface you can see a lot of holes where the air gets evacuated. At the side it's a little bigger hole, and you can connect a normal vacuum to clean the floor. At the side here, these lines are self-gluing rubbers like you use for your windows or your doors. Then we have the frame. So they are two wooden frames, and you put the material between these frames, like put the frames against each other, and then you have this office clamps which you put on the side all around, and then that's tight enough. But let's come to that later. Then for sure you have the positive of the body. So what you do is basically you put the body or the mold on top of the surface. You put your frame with your plastic material into the oven, heat it up to approximately 200 degrees Celsius, and when it starts to build a bag, so hanging down a little bit, you take it out, switch on your vacuum, and put the frame on top here, so that the seal is closing the gap, and the air between the surface and the material gets evacuated through the vacuum, and then the material lays exactly on the mold. I show you that later. Okay, everything is prepared now. This is the mold on the box. The box is connected to the vacuum, and the oven is currently heating up, and I took something around 190 degrees Celsius. So I just prepared the frame with the materials. As you can see, it's a little window. I clamped it with the office clamp, and now into the oven. Since my wife is the best wife on this planet, I can use the oven in the kitchen. So if you have a look here inside, you can see it's immediately starting to deform, and it's building this little pocket. So now we have to wait another second. Now it's back again, and when it comes down to about 20 millimeters down, we can start with the process. So I'm switching on the vacuum, and now you can see the mold, and now it's interesting. It's what works. I put it over, and you see immediately it's evacuated, and everything should be good now. So now you see the mold is done. If I lift it up, and this is the result. Quite good, I think. Thank you for listening.